So, say you're feeling a bit down, or you have a particular issue you're dealing with, such as grief or divorce, or I don't know, any other issue. You reach out for help. You might come in contact with a counsellor, a social worker, psychologist, care workers, nurses. These people might write notes to help understand your issues and to help you. Sometimes they may even write diagnostic suggestions, such as maybe borderline personality disorder or depression, so that future workers can have some idea of what might be going on. This is not a diagnosis of a mental health disorder, it's just a suggestion. It's a bit like your mate telling you your car has a broken head gasket. He may be correct, but you really need to go to a mechanic who'll perform the right tests. Other professionals then look at those notes. Although helpful, they may now look for the signs of the mental illness suggested, even if the notes were made by someone unqualified. You may then come under the radar of child protection. Child protection looks at those notes and may decide your child is at risk from your mental illness. In many cases, child protection have written in court documents that a parent has a diagnosis when there is absolutely no evidence of any diagnosis having occurred. This then becomes evidence that your children are at risk of harm in your care. You were never really diagnosed, but no one questions it, and your children are removed. Your lawyer can ask Child Protection to provide evidence of a DSM-based diagnosis, details about who performed it and when. This can happen to anyone and is occurring in a large number of cases of child removal. This is an unacceptable practice and needs to stop. The contents of this video does not constitute legal advice, nor is it intended to be a substitute for legal advice, and should not be relied upon as such. You should seek legal advice or other professional advice in relation to this issue. Stand with us against unacceptable practices in child protection. We are releasing a video with in-depth research and evaluation of this practice, as well as a discussion video, so please subscribe, hit the bell and visit our website to see how you can get more involved.